welcome to Sanjay Marts. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to draw Rashmika Mandanna outline drawing using diagonal grid method. So, first of all, you need to install Grid Maker app. So, let me zoom it. Okay, here you can see Grid Maker app. Click on that. Select the photo which you want to draw. Okay, let me select how much rows you want to. I choose 10 rows and 7 columns, and click on the diagonals and select the thickness of the grids. I choose 1 so it may helpful to see the details or the clarities. Okay, then just save it. That's it. So simple na. Okay, so let's start. I'm using the normal kg cardboard sheet. It's half of the A4 size. You can call it as A5 size. And here I'm not considering, according to the measures, I'm not considering the half of the centimeter of the each corner of this page. Considering the 2 centimeters for the each grids which I'm drawing here. So according to the measurement, what I did, it's, you can see that 10 rows, 7 columns, like that I measured. Likewise, I am drawing the diagonals also. Okay. So almost completing. Right side diagonals is completed. It's left side diagonals. Okay. Observe the grid, already applied grid photo. Okay, likewise you need to follow that steps. See, by using the diagonal grid method you can easily draw and you can observe the details very easily. Only grids, if I use the only grids, that may difficult to observe the photo. That's why I use the diagonals grid method. Okay, just observe that which column, which row, the appropriate parts where it's coming. Okay, according to the photo, just follow the steps. I'm just observing that photo itself. See, by using these diagonals, that the small detailing can be easily done. You need to observe the eyes and nose. When it comes to small details, it may be very easy when using the diagonals, as you can compare it only grids methods also without diagonals. Likewise, we have to properly observe that. so you can get the output as the photo itself. Likewise what I'm drawing. Okay. If you are the beginner, I suggest you to go this method. You can draw easily and you can draw fastly itself. This picture, outline drawing. You can use any pencils. Light wise, you have to draw the outlines, so you can fix it when you come to shading parts. I'm just following the already applied grid photo. Likewise, you need to observe the photo, means the grids. Erase the grids which I draw before this outline drawing. So I use this flat mono eraser also for the small details which we can't erase through the normal erasers. Highlight the outline. Let's draw it, make it darker, little bit darker. The drawing is almost completing, so you can see the final result of the Rashmika Mandanna outline drawing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and click on the subscribe button. You can see this kind of videos in my channel. Let's see you in the next video.